Man, this keyboard sucks. It's not great. The mouse, not great. What happened? You order, if you watch the unboxing video, you saw we got a nice computer. And back in my day, Dell made a good keyboard. But I don't know. Since I'm a bad typer, you can't even hang your nail on these little home row identifiers. So I should have upgraded the keyboard. It didn't cost that much. So it was a mistake. So what are we going to do to turn this mistake into something awesome? Boom. Roccat. We ordered, the mouse. You see this thing? It's so bad it won't. It'll hover. Ridiculous. Not good. What we're after. This box. Here we go. Oh, I could get disappointed in this box too, but I would also like to say, when you order basically a $4,000 computer from Dell and you don't get a sticker from them, I don't know. Seems sad. Here we go. Let's see what's in this box. What's in the box? You gotta say it. Say, what's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, do you party? Oh, I don't party. What? Oh, here we go. I thought I got a defective bubble. You did it wrong. I get defective bubbles. Ooh, I already see prizes.
Well, hold on.
What should I go for first? Oh. Prizes?
Oh, yeah, you got a prize. You just mentioned the prize.
There are, look, free. Definitely didn't order this APP Roccat ear loop reusable face mask. Oh, it's for the Rona.
Show it to the camera.
Show it to the camera. Look at this. Oh, it's so soft, like underwear. I've got face underwear. Should I do the rest of the video like this?
No, please don't.
I need one with a hole in it for my beautiful facial hair. All right. It's nice. That's funny. For a mask, that's pretty fancy feeling on my face. It felt nice. All right. What is this? We didn't order this either. It is a mouse pad.
What?
Yeah.
We totally didn't order that.
I'm telling you, that's what I'm telling you. You got to be the kind of company, Roccat, who puts stuff in the box where people will get like surprises, you know, and you're like, oh, what? This company gives a crap. All right, we don't need that part. We're going to be using that later. All right, let's start with the mouse. And here we have, I should probably set this aside a little. There we go. Ooh. Their Burst Optical Pro. Now, I'm great with tape. There we go. We'll get some shots close up to cut in, unless you want to get it now. I don't know. But it's got the stats. It is supposed to be pretty awesome. Here's my beautiful Benchmade knife for my precision cuts here. I think I cut the box. This thing's so sharp, it'll cut anything that you put in its path, including me. A couple times. I'll cut myself on this box. Cut myself on the box. Dun, dun, dun. Uh-oh, I'm upside down. Oh, I can't even see it. Look how nice. Look at this packaging. This is like
little carriage.
I want to like keep it, put something else in it, secure it. This is really nice feeling plastic. Oh wow, look at the bottom of it. It's really slick. Hey, this doesn't. Oh, it's because is it the lights? The lights are honeycomb. I actually thought it had a honeycomb on it. I can't wait to see it lit up.
Check out the cord.
Oh yeah, it does have a nice cord. It's like it's braided, I guess. It feels nice. It feels like so different than holding that little Dell a second ago. It definitely got extra buttons. It's got a little thingy. A thingy to thingy with. Let's go back to the box.
Clean up your workstation.
Clean up my area. What? Get off of me.
What's this?
Now, check. I didn't mention this because Vidal didn't send me one of these.
You didn't order one.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. No, why didn't they just surprise me with one? They knew I needed one. They knew better. They should know better than me.
They don't know what you need.
They should know what I need. This is the Roccat headphones. They're Air Series. Elo 7.1 Air Series. And, you know, built for humans, which is good because I am a human. At least that's what we try to let everyone think that. That's what you want people to believe. But yeah, these are supposed to be odd. Let's see what they look like and feel like. There's definitely some box damage I can do again. I don't think I'm supposed to use a knife on this. I did it. The knife was helpful.
No, you got it upside down.
It looks. Oh, I believe you. Here we go. Whoa.
Very cool packaging.
What's in there?
You gotta work with it.
Oh, sorry. We got this. We're professionals.
Put it on your head.
Put it on my head. Okay, with the little. It looks like there might be a sticker in there. You know, I'm a sucker for a sticker to put in the drawer. Oh, the microphone, which I won't need because I have my turrets. Hopefully, you watch that video. That thing. Everyone needs one of those. The Marantz Turret Pro. So we've got our USB-C to USB, probably 3. And let's see. I'm like trying to be delicate. I want to get them out all delicate. Oh, dude. That's like real. Feel that.
Oh, man.
For the price, it did come with drugs.
No.
What? Don't do this?
Don't eat that.
Don't eat this.
That'll kill you.
Right? At least have a bad day in the bathroom. Peels. You got. All right, let's go. Oh, those are nice peels. Look at that. Oh, that one broke. Man, that really does look good the way it's like written on there.
Well,
and this
all lit up.
All lights up, and it has software. There's its little USB thing. Isn't that cute? It's much smaller than the one on our old set. So I'm gonna move this beautiful thing over. So they're RGB. They come with RGB software so that they can match up to the real, the pièce de résistance, the reason for all the shenanigans. Oh God, it's heavy. Woo! Let me get it out of this. Get its condom off. Free itself. The Vulcan TKL Pro.
Optical.
Very optical. It's got nice weight. Yes, please.
Oh, yeah. Man, it's so small, but it's heavy. Like the turret.
Like the turret.
Marantz turret.
Oh. Free. Dumb. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Does it look nice? Is it covered up by a white box or something? Oh, it's kind of there. The
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. See, this is why I bought this. There's a lot of boards out. Keyboards, you've seen the custom keyboard fad, whatever that's going on. Lots of people, but I still just don't think they have this. You know, build all you want on your custom keyboard, have fun. You're not going to come out with this. And like I was saying, RGB software that works with this and all 3 devices together to do crazy stuff for your channel. But yeah, you want to see it has like the switches. It's exposed
To the side.
The keycaps are like super low profile.
Smack a few.
Oh yeah, we're about to listen to that. Let's set it down here. What? Oh my God!
Grab that other one. Oof.
It's just my name. And it's, you know, it's metal. Look at this.
Make you happy.
Like, kid, you see like that bevel? It's like it shines like a different, like it's polished bevel around. And this is definitely metal. I mean, I should probably try to see what kind of metal.
It's aluminum.
Right? I'm sure, yeah, like aircraft aluminum design. This thing's awesome. I don't know. I guess we should get it lit up and show people it all lit up on my desk. Get rid of this thing again. Look at these volume knobs. Look at this thing. I know you guys like to really hear that.
Let's see how it compares to my Corsair.
You can see, like, it almost has like these almost like fake switches for stabilizers, so you get like no flexes. Yeah. What were you saying? Let's do what? Let's do it. What are we doing?
Yeah.
I do whatever.
Another video for the 2 keyboards, mine and yours.
Oh yes, we have. Oh. So we have another keyboard in house.
We messed up by not.
And we should. Yeah. We got a little excited when we got home with it, and we opened it too quickly, and we did not set up to film it. But it was an awesome open. You know, I can only imagine that if you ordered this from the company, we went down to Best Buy and bought it, but you probably ordered it from them. You might get a Rona mask. Look at that.
That's so cool.
All right, so yeah, let's get this thing hooked up to the computer and see what it looks like. All right, so we installed the system and the system. Okay, so we plugged in everything, and we've downloaded the Roccat. Man, this sounds. These are nice. You can really tell that it's like I was screaming, Jesus. That you can that it cancels the sound. Like, it is so crazy. You can see that they are light up. Maybe we should do some shots in the dark. But the keyboard, the mouse, and they'll all, if you see them, they'll like rotate through like the same colors. And then through the Swarm software, you can set them up to do crazy stuff for your stream. You got to keep your stream RGB fresh.
All right, you want some lights?
Yeah, let's try to dim the lights and see how it looks. I don't know if I can like.
Earphones.
Oh yeah. Let's see if I apply or okay. I don't know. I'm trying to get into this. Like, I want to see some custom shit going on.
Move your hand. Your hand.
My hand. Oh.
That mouse looks cool.
Right? It feels good in the hand. I clicked on something. I don't know what I'm clicking. I've upset it again. It must be downloading and installing this stuff.
Yeah, you got the circle
But,
going.
you know, linear tactile triggers from Titan linear tactile triggers, optical. They go down, they break a little laser, and man, I just can't. It feels so good. I can't be happy. Maybe we'll do a review on it. We're gonna put it up against the Corsair K100. See how that all goes. We would put it up against that Dell, but we already know what'll happen. The Dell this could break it. I could probably break that Dell keyboard into pieces with this keyboard, and this keyboard still work. That's how good it is. Happy as hell with my products. As you can see, the mouse pad doesn't fit on my child's desk that I use. Used to have door on here. We painted over that. But I'm ordering a new desk from Amazon, a lift desk, automatic. Gonna raise it up, and we'll film unboxing and setting that up. So it should be awesome. You get to see Lonnie and his set it up and put it together skills. We also have some chairs coming. Let's everybody keep your fingers crossed for the chairs. But like, subscribe. You know it's important if you're watching YouTube videos these days. Everybody begging for it. So we do appreciate it, and we'll bring you another video super soon. Bye.